welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I cut my own hair into layers to create that volume that I love. Now when my hair starts growing out, it kind of starts evening out on its own, and then my curls start weighing a lot more, so my curls start looking a little bit more stringy, not as spirally as they do now, and I don't like when my hair looks like that, so I cut it on my own. Now, no, I'm not a hairstylist, and I've never got a diva cut. Well, I'm lying. I did get a diva cut one time, like, what, almost 2.5, 3 years ago now, and it cost a lot of money, and I want to go ahead and just do it myself because it's more cost effective, and I feel like what I do works for me, so that's why I keep doing it on my own. So if you guys want to see how I got my hair into layers and to help create more volume, then just keep on watching.
So the two things you're going to need for this is a comb and of course some scissors. So the first step is flipping my hair over and putting it in a high ponytail. So what you want to do before you put it up in a high ponytail is make sure that you comb your hair out and make sure that you try to get it as smooth as possible before putting it in the ponytail. That way your hair is even. And mind you guys, like, it's gonna be impossible to get all the bumps out, but just get as many as you can to try to get a very smooth and slick high ponytail. Voila, there is my high ponytail. Alright guys, so this part for me was so scary, but this is the part where you're going to cut most of your hair off. So for me, I believe I cut like 2 or 3 inches off, but what you want to do is just comb your ponytail out, try to get as many bumps out as you can. Make sure that your hair is nice and smooth, and then you're going to go ahead and snip how many inches you want to cut off. And just hold as tight as you can. I feel like I could have done it better, and how I could have done it better was if I went ahead and put my ends in a ponytail. So if I would have measured how much I wanted to cut off and then put a scrunchie towards the end of my hair, that way I think that would have made it easier to snip off how much I wanted to cut off, instead of just trying to hold it and make sure that my hair stayed in my hand. I hope that makes sense what I'm trying to say. But I feel like that would have helped me a little bit better because I had to go back quite a few times to make sure that everything was even. And then here, I guess I decided that my hair was still a little bit too long, so I went ahead and snipped, I think, 1 more inch off, or half an inch off. Can you see what I'm saying? It's kind of hard to grab and make sure my hair doesn't move, so I think adding that ponytail at the end would help with that. Okay, so this is how long my hair looks. Mind you guys, my hair is definitely longer when it's wet, but now I'm gonna get off camera. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my hair, and I'll be back once it's dry. Alright, so here's my hair completely dry. We went ahead and did some errands, and now I'm back to show you guys how much more bouncy my hair looks, and how the cut actually looks, and how much more volume it gives my hair. And this is without me even picking my hair out first or fluffing it out. And you guys can still see that it's pretty long in the back, but you can tell that I still have layers on the top. So for this part, this is like the most important part to giving you a lot more volume, and that's of course picking at your hair. I used to just use my fingers, but after I bought a pick and started picking at it, I swear it makes such a difference. Like, my hair gets so much more volume at the roots, but you also want to be gentle because you do not want to comb your curls out. Alright, so after I'm done picking my hair, this is the part that takes the longest and it's the most tedious, but I like to do this because I like to make sure that all my ends are nice and cut, and that I don't have any split ends, and I just wanted to make sure that everything looks all well and put together. So this is the part where I go strand by strand cutting off, because like I said, I don't want my hair to have split ends, and I just want to make sure that both sides of my hair look even when I part it down the middle. So as you guys can see, I'm going strand by strand, snipping off at the ends little by little and working my way up to see how it looks. So like that part right there is pretty long, so I just wanted to make sure that it was even with the other side. And one thing that I forgot to mention is that when I'm cutting my hair strand by strand, the way I'm cutting my hair, I'm holding the scissors is at an angle. So I'm cutting my hair at an angle. I don't want to cut it straight ahead because the way my curls curl, you know, like the spiral of your curls, they're going down. So you just want to make sure that you're following the pattern of the curl. And I pretty much do this all around my hair until I feel that my cut is flattering my face and it's matching on both sides. Now comment down below if you guys want to see a video of cutting bangs on my hair. I've done this before. I've also done it off camera. Right now my bangs are pretty long, but if you guys are wanting to see how I get bangs, then just comment below and also give this video a thumbs up.
Alright guys, and this is how my hair turned out after cutting my hair into layers. It's probably not perfect, but you know what? This is what I do, and it's cost effective because I do it myself. I don't have to pay anybody to cut my hair. Plus, I have curly hair, so, and I never straighten it, so you're never going to tell how uneven my hair looks. But this is what works for me. I really like it. My hair, it gives my hair a lot more volume because it's cut in layers. So you guys can see. And this is the type of hairstyle I usually like to rock. My hair in layers. And of course I use a pig to fluff up my hair just to give it a little bit more volume. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also you guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye my loves. Mwah!